Excuse me, sir. Do you know how fast you were going?
Yes.
Huh. Hey, Bob, he knew how fast he was going.
Got your nine. When you drop your ham sandwich, somebody was saying, Justin! Oh, Bob! Justin, tell people I don't like that! Sorry, Bob. Sorry, Bobby here.
Do you have chicken nugget? Do you have chicken nugget? What else is sharing my thoughts? What else is sharing my thoughts?
Oh, man, that's nuts. I just dropped the phone down the elevator shaft. Sandwich.